piece of chalk, paper, headsets, compass, water bottle. What are all these, children? What are all these? These all are materials, isn't it, children? So, how this duster is made up of? Wood. Yes, can you see the wood? And here duster, sponge. So, mainly wood. How is piece of chalk made up of? With the clay. This one, yeah, somewhat plastic, somewhat iron. So, these are the materials made with different types of objects. Sorry, different types of materials. Yes, what are they? That's what we are going to discuss today. Okay, see some materials I have put here. Metal. Metal means, do you know, steel, iron, nuts, screw nuts. Yeah, all this comes under metals. Okay, bowl, nuts, all this comes under metals. Okay, how these metals will be? What are the features of these metals? They are nothing but they will be shine. If you bring one utensil from your kitchen room, take one spoon and sit. Okay, now see the spoon. Whether it is shining? Yes. Feel cool if you catch the spoon? Are you feeling cool? Cold? Yes. It is smooth? Yes. Hard to touch? Yes. It is catching the light from the light? Yes, you can see the light rays. And it is easy to break. Try to break that spoon. You cannot break. So these are the features of the metal. It is very hard. It is shiny, hard to touch, but it is very smooth. We cannot break it. Okay. Now coming to the wood. We have seen this one is made up of wood. Is it smooth? No, hard. Okay. See, example spatula. Spatula means nothing but spoon. Okay. In non-sticks, we can see wooden spoons. Okay. That is spatula. And pencil. You have pencil with you, no? See that one. They are not shiny. Wood will shine, children? No. It will be very dull and not smooth. Wood won't be very smooth and easy to break. Can you break the pencil? Yes. Not only metal and wood, we can see clay, stones also, children. Okay, so clay. Do you have pots in your home? Yes, that pot is made up of clay. Okay, and some of us keep showpieces. Okay, and we can keep some plants, small plants in the pots. Showpiece also we can keep in our home. Next, stone. Did you see any time statues made up of rocks? Yes, nothing but that is stone. Okay, in temples we can see, and roadside some members, leaders, statues they used to keep. So, and some stone pieces also we can keep in our home as a show. Okay, so actually, children, these are the materials in your LP1 and these are the features in your LP2. So, this both come in LP1 and LP2. After this lesson, you must complete LP1, LP2 volumes also. Okay, children? Yes. I will discuss once again about this and then we can go to the textbook. Okay?
Yes, children, now tell me, how do metals and wood change their shape? Yes, see here you can see different types of shapes here. Yes, different metals with different shapes. How do metals and wood change their shape? How come we can make different things from them? If they are hard, what should we do? We told that metal is very hard. Then how can we change into things? Yeah, see here children, metals must be beaten to sheets. Okay, we should beat them and we should make into a big sheets to make it easier to use. Okay, and so that we can make into a new shapes. What should we do to the metals? Metals must be beaten to sheets. Okay, and they can also be cut or melted to make new shapes. Okay, we can after we are making a sheets, we can cut it and we can melt it also. Okay, so coming to the wood is also cut. Yes or no? Wood is also cuttable. Why? Because we can cut it. So wood is peeled. Okay, from the trees, after taking the wood from the trees, it should be peeled and polished to make it smooth and shiny. Okay children, directly it won't be smooth. We should make it smooth and shiny. But it is not the way naturally. I told now, it is not naturally smooth or naturally shiny. We are making it. Okay, metals are shiny, hard and strong, and wood is not shiny, not strong. Yes children, take page number 42. Metal and wood. Materials around us. We see many things around us. Clay, stone, glass, wood, metal and plastic are used to make these things. They are called materials. Okay, different materials picture you have here, you can see it. Features of metals. Metals are hard and strong. They are shiny. They can be beaten to make different shapes. Metals allow heat to pass through them. If a part of the metal is heated, the rest of the metal also becomes hot. Yes, did you observe this one children? When you keep one spoon, when mother is cooking in a bowl, if you keep one spoon in it and after 5 minutes if you catch, the metal will totally become heat. Okay, understood? If you heat one side, the back side also it takes the heat. Okay children, most of the metals are heavy, so they sink in water. See that picture, they have thrown one metal, means coins. Do you have money coins? Yeah, rupee. You can throw it in a glass so that it will go under the glass. It won't be on the water, it will be inside the water. Why? Because they are heavy. Okay, now open your volume. Yeah, page number 35, write the date. Materials around us. Okay, see this picture carefully. Toy, knife, glasses, pot, bucket, bottle, pen stand, scarf, glass bowl and dress. Okay, first one. Complete the table by listing all the materials and things shown in the picture above. By seeing that picture, you want to fill this table. Okay, material. What is made from this material? First one, they have given cloth. We can make scarf, we can make dress with the cloth. Next one, you can write wood. Okay, next one you can write plastic. Next you can write, what is there? Yeah, you can write clay. Yes, whatever you have seen here, you can write here. Okay, see the second one. With which objects above will you put these items? A and B. What are the materials here? First one, I think it is a iron. They made with the iron, and second one is wood. Now turn the page. Page number 36. Features of wood and metal. Which of this is not a metal? How can you tell? By this seeing, you circle which is not the metal. Yeah, here two things are made with wood. Circle it. Okay. Rima gifted her son a toy. Which material is it made up of? See that car, which material we are using to make a car? I think you have toys in your home. Look at your car and write here which material is used. Third one, matchsticks and pencils are made up of wood. How are they different in their features? I want features, whether they are dull, they are shiny, whether they are not shiny, okay, they are smooth or not smooth, and which one is easily breakable, you write here.